Good morning बच्चों. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. My name is Gaurav Sharma and today I am going to teach you the chapter algebraic expression. Okay, so let's start. So before starting the chapter, we will learn some basic things about the algebra. Okay, so tell me, what is constant? What is constant? Constant, a symbol having fixed numerical value is called constant. Okay, and what is variable? And what is variable, beta? A symbol having various numerical value is called variable. Did you get the point? No? Okay. Let us understand this by some examples. Do you know what is the parameter of a square? Parameter of square. What is the parameter of square, beta? Parameter of square is 4 into side. Okay, now we will write side as s. Okay, so from here what we will see, 4 is a constant and s is a variable. How? 4 you take, beta, any square you will take. What you will find? You will find anytime you can change the side of the square. Let us suppose first you take the side 4 centimeter. Next time you can take the side of the square 5 centimeter. Next time you can take the side of the 6 centimeter. So anytime you can change the side of the square, but you cannot change the value of 4. Right? So 4 is a fixed value. That is why it is called a constant. Whereas s means side, it is changing. You can change the side of the square anytime, so it is called the variable. I hope you will get this point. Let's take one more example of this. What is the circumference of circle? Circumference of circle. What is the circumference of circle, beta? It is 2 pi r. Here again what we will see, the value of 2 and pi is constant, because every time you can change the radius of the circle, but you cannot change the value of 2 and you cannot change the value of pi. So here 2 pi is a constant, whereas r, radius is a variable. 2 is a fixed value, pi is also has a fixed value, beta, because the value of pi is 22/7, or you can say 3.14. It is a fixed value. You cannot change the value of 2, you cannot change the value of pi, but anytime you can change the radius of the circle. So radius of the circle is variable. whereas 2 2 pi, because you cannot change the value of 2 and pi, that it means these are constant. I hope you will get this point. Next comes to the algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? What is algebraic expression? A combination of constant and variable, a combination of constant and variable separated by any sign means that is can be plus, that can be minus, that can be multiply, that can be divide. A combination of constant and variable separated by any sign is called an algebraic expression. Okay, beta. For an example, if I write 3x plus 2y, so here we have the combination of constant, combination of variable, combination of constant and variable, okay, and separated by a sign plus. So this is called an algebraic expression. Okay, beta. Okay, now come to the next point, that is called term. What is term? So beta, different part of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus is called term. For an example, understand by this example only, 3x plus 2y. Here we have two parts separated by plus. We have two parts. One is this one and one is this one, separated by plus. So different part of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus is called term. So here there are two terms. One term is 3x and other term is 2y. Okay, beta. In an algebraic expression, different part of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus is called term. I hope you can understand. Understand this by one more example. See here. If I write 3x square minus 2y, 3x square minus 2y plus 2x. So here I can see there are three parts which is separated by two sign. There are three parts which is separated by two sign. So what is the term here? One term is 3x square, second term is 2y, third term is 2x. Is it clear to you, beta? So means different part of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus is called term. I hope you got this point. Okay, so move to the next point, that is called the factor. Beta, slowly we are coming to our chapter, exercise chapter, because before that we should know the very basic terms of this the algebra, otherwise we cannot get the things properly. Okay, so come to the next point, that is called factor. What is factor?